Hello, I am Katy, and in today's tutorial you get to learn how to make a bear ear like this one. So this is a bear bookmark, this is the head, and in today's tutorial you will get to make the ear and sew it up. So let's begin. We are using a 1.2 20 millimeters, 1.2, and we are starting with a magic ring. So we start. I'm making the magic ring and I am crocheting 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we made 5. Now I'm closing the ring, so this is it. Now I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going in the first stitch and making 2 single crochets, 1 and then the 2 in the same stitch like this. Then I'm making here 2 single crochets, 3, and 4, and we will make in each stitch 2 single crochet, that is 5, 6, 2 single crochets, 7, and the 8, 9, and 10. So now I usually take the yarn from the magic ring, add it with my normal yarn, and I'm crocheting it all together. So this is 1 stitch. On this row we will make 1 single crochet in each stitch, and I am yarning, weaving in the yarn from the beginning. So 1, and the 2, I have 2, give the ear the form. So and now with a slip stitch, closing in, cutting the yarn, sorry, and pulling out the yarn. So this is it. This is the ear. I hope you can see it. Okay, this is it. And now I will sew the yarn, the ear to the, oh, sorry. This is a simple trick that I learned to just hold the yarn in my hands and go the needle in. So here is it. Now when you see that is like a triangle here, I usually put the ear like this, okay, like this. Then I'm going in here. It's under the triangle where the yarn comes out, and going in and going out on this end like this. So now I'm getting the, I'm fixing the ear like this, and I'm looking, okay, this is it, it's good. We can sew it together. Now I'm going in to both. Into both. Into both sides of the ear. And now we're going here. Like this. And once again like this. And then coming out here. It isn't sewed together. So now it is. Oops, I lost the yarn. No problemo. So see, if you hold the yarn in your hand and you go with the needle in, you will find the thread, the hole with the thread. So like this. It's okay. So now I usually make a knot with the yarn from the teddy bear head. Now I'm going once again in like this and pull it out somewhere. Not there. Okay, yeah. Pull, cut, and this is it. And you will make the same for the other ear, and by the end you will, in the next tutorial I will show you the nose, and then I will show you how to sew the book mark to the head. Subscribe and hit the bell notification for more videos like this. Goodbye.